Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our online teaching session. Today we are going to learn a topic from grammar, that is noun gender. So can you tell me what is a gender? If I will talk about gender, so you will tell hero, heroine, mother, father, brother, sister, all refers to gender. Yes, you are right. But in this session, we will learn gender deeply. So let's start with gender. What is gender? The gender of a noun indicates whether a person or animal we are referring to is a male or female. Okay, when we are talking about a person or an animal, so it refers to male or female. We come to know about the gender. So in this, there are four types of gender, that is feminine gender, masculine gender, common gender and neuter gender. So today we are going to learn about gender deeply in this session. So let's see what is masculine gender. Masculine genders are nouns that talk about male persons. Male person means boy, father, grandfather, hero. All these are comes under masculine gender. Okay. Now we will see about feminine gender. What is feminine gender? Feminine gender are nouns that talk about female persons. Okay, those gender talks about female gender are called feminine gender. Okay, let's see the examples of feminine gender. Sister, mother, grandmother, all indicates feminine gender. Now let's see more examples of feminine gender and masculine gender. Boy is a masculine gender. Girl is a feminine gender. Now the next one, brother, masculine gender. Sister, feminine gender. Now next, father. Father is masculine gender. Mother is a feminine gender. Uncle, masculine gender. Aunt is a feminine gender. Let's move to the next one. You know, king. King refers to masculine gender. Queen refers to feminine gender. Now, husband. Husband is a man. Yes. Wife is a lady. So, husband refers to masculine and wife refers to feminine gender. Now we will see here landlord and landlady. First, what do you mean by landlord? Landlord is a person who gives flats and his land on rent is called as a landlord, or it can be a landlady. So landlord comes under masculine gender and landlady comes under feminine gender. Now we will see the next one, grandfather. Grandfather and grandmother. So grandfather comes under masculine gender and grandmother comes under feminine gender. Now here are some examples of male and female gender. So when we are telling about actor, so what is the feminine gender of actor is actress. Prince, princess. Policeman, policewoman. Bridegroom, bride. These are the examples of male and female, masculine gender and feminine gender. Now we will talk about common gender. What is common gender? Common gender refers to lady and men. Both words which we are using for both men and women. Feminine gender also and masculine gender also. So first one is doctor. Doctor. It can be a woman or a man. Teacher also, you know, teachers. She is a teacher, he is a teacher. Okay. Now parents. Okay, we can say parents. So mother will be there or father will be, both will be there in parents. Now students. When I'm talking about students, so I'm having girl and boy, both are in my class. So the student comes under common gender. Okay. Now what is neuter gender? Now we will talk about neuter gender. So non-living things can't be distinguished as either male or female. Okay, there are some things which we cannot identify as male or female. Okay, so it comes under neuter gender. The names of such things belong to neuter gender. We will see the examples of neuter gender. As you can see here, table, we can't identify it is male or female. Same, book comes under neuter gender. Now you can see window. You know the window is girl or boy? No, we don't know. So it comes under neuter gender. So same here with the pen. Do you know the pen you are writing with is a girl or boy? Yes, we don't know about the pen. So it comes under neuter gender. Now you can see the blackboard. Okay, the bag. The bag you are carrying for school. So you don't know it is girl or boy. Blackboard, it is girl or boy. So it comes under neuter gender. Now you can see the examples of neuter gender. First one, the ball is under the bed. So ball is also neuter gender and bed is also neuter gender. Now I go to school every day. School, you know, school is girl or boy? Nobody knows. So it comes under neuter gender. The sun, nobody knows sun is a boy or girl. So sun comes under neuter gender. Number 4, the pen is on the table. Pen or table comes under neuter gender. Now the book and the sofa. You know about book and sofa? We don't know. So it comes under neuter gender. Now the color are in the box. Colors are comes under neuter gender. Box comes under neuter gender because we don't know all these things are boy or girl. So it comes under the neuter gender. When we don't know the gender of things, it comes under neuter gender. Very good. Now see the exercise. In this exercise you can see there is a boy playing with a ball. The boy is playing with a ball. So you can say in answer you have to identify the underlined noun. It is comes under which gender? Okay, so the underlined words are boy and ball. So boy is comes under masculine gender and the ball comes under neuter gender. Now this is your homework. What you have to do, you have to replace the underlined nouns. Okay, so the first one is there is a lioness in the forest. So what is the answer? Which word is underlined? Lioness. So you have to replace it with the opposite gender. There is a lion in the forest. Now number 2, the girl sang sweetly. So the underlined noun is girl. So what will come in place of girl? Boy. Yes. Now the man is sitting under a tree. What is the underlined noun? Man. So what comes in place of man? Woman. Yes. Now my sister came very early. So in this sentence we have to replace sister with opposite gender. So what is the opposite gender of sister? That is brother. Okay, my dear students, now another homework for you, that is male and female. I have given you the male gender and you have to change it into masculine gender. So policeman, policewomen. Then landlord, you will write here landlady. Then grandfather, grandmother. Peacock, peahen. Lion, lioness. Like this you have to do it in your grammar notebook. Thank you and have a nice day, my dear students. Allah